Imagine having a tool that can help you write essays, debug code, analyze data, and even brainstorm creative ideas, all in seconds. In this guide, we'll walk through everything you need to know to get started with DeepSeek. By the end, you'll be equipped to use its powerful features like a pro. But how different is DeepSeek from ChatGPT? Let's dive in and find out. What is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is an advanced AI-powered platform designed to assist users with a wide range of tasks. From generating content and solving complex problems to providing coding assistance and conducting research, DeepSeek is like having a personal AI assistant at your fingertips. It's built on cutting-edge natural language processing, NLP technology, which means it can understand and respond to your queries in a way that feels almost human. Whether you need help writing a report, analyzing data, or even learning a new concept, DeepSeek has you covered. Getting started with DeepSeek. Step 1. Accessing DeepSeek. The first step is to access DeepSeek. Depending on the platform you're using, this could be through a website, an app, or an API integration. For most beginners, the web version is the easiest way to start. Simply open your browser and navigate to the DeepSeek website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. The process is straightforward. Just provide your email, create a password, and verify your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a clean, user-friendly interface. This is your dashboard where you'll interact with DeepSeek and access all its features. Step 2. Understanding the interface. The DeepSeek interface is designed to be intuitive, but let's break it down so you can navigate it with ease. Input box. This is where you type your queries or tasks. Whether you're asking a question, requesting content, or seeking analysis, this is where the conversation starts. Output panel. Once you submit your query, DeepSeek's response will appear here. You can scroll through the output, copy it, or even edit it if needed. Settings menu. Here, you can customize your experience. For example, you can adjust the tone of the responses, formal, casual, etc., set language preferences, or enable specific features like code formatting. History tab. This keeps track of your previous interactions with DeepSeek, making it easy to revisit past queries or outputs. Take a moment to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with these elements. It'll make your experience much smoother. Core functionalities of DeepSeek. Now that you're set up, let's explore some of DeepSeek's core functionalities. These are the features that make it such a versatile tool. 1. Content generation. One of DeepSeek's standout features is its ability to generate high-quality content. Whether you need a blog post, an essay, or even a creative story, DeepSeek can do it all. For example, if you're writing an essay on climate change, you can input a prompt like, write a 500-word essay on the impact of climate change on coastal cities. DeepSeek will generate a well-structured, informative piece that you can use as a starting point or even as a final draft. Pro tip: be as specific as possible with your prompts. The more details you provide, the better the output will be. 2. Coding assistance. If you're a programmer, DeepSeek can be a game changer. It can help you write code, debug errors, and even explain complex concepts. For instance, if you're stuck on a Python script, you can ask, help me fix this Python code that's giving an index error. Paste your code, and DeepSeek will analyze it, identify the issue, and provide a corrected version. You can also use it to learn new programming languages or frameworks. Just ask, explain how to use React hooks in JavaScript. DeepSeek will break it down into simple, easy-to-understand steps. 3. Data analysis. DeepSeek isn't just for writers and programmers. It's also a powerful tool for data analysis. You can input datasets, ask for insights, or even request visualizations. For example, if you have a spreadsheet of sales data, you can ask, analyze this sales data and identify the top-performing products. DeepSeek will process the data and provide a detailed analysis, complete with trends and recommendations. 4. Research assistance. Need help with research? DeepSeek can summarize articles, generate citations, and even provide answers to specific questions. For example, if you're researching the causes of World War I, you can ask, summarize the key causes of World War I in bullet points. DeepSeek will deliver a concise, accurate summary that you can use in your work. 5. Learning and tutoring. DeepSeek is also a fantastic learning tool. Whether you're studying for an exam or trying to understand a new topic, DeepSeek can explain concepts in a way that's easy to grasp. For example, if you're struggling with calculus, you can ask, "Explain the concept of derivatives in calculus with examples." DeepSeek will provide a clear explanation, complete with examples to help you understand. Tips for using DeepSeek effectively. To get the most out of DeepSeek, keep these tips in mind. Be specific. The more detailed your prompts, the better the results. Instead of asking, "Write an essay," try, "Write a 300-word essay on the benefits of renewable energy for high school students." Experiment with tones. DeepSeek allows you to adjust the tone of its responses. Play around with formal, casual, or even humorous tones to see what works best for your needs. Use follow-up questions. DeepSeek excels at handling follow-up questions. If you're not satisfied with the initial response, ask for clarification or additional details. Leverage the History tab. If you're working on a long project, use the History tab to keep track of your interactions. This makes it easy to pick up where you left off. Combine features. Don't be afraid to combine functionalities. For example, you can use DeepSeek to generate content and then ask it to analyze the data within that content. Advanced features to explore. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can explore some of DeepSeek's advanced features. API integration. If you're a developer, you can integrate DeepSeek into your own applications using its API. This opens up a world of possibilities for automation and customization. Custom models. Some versions of DeepSeek allow you to train custom models tailored to your specific needs. This is particularly useful for businesses or researchers with unique requirements. Collaboration tools. DeepSeek offers features for team collaboration, making it a great tool for group projects or workplace environments. Common mistakes to avoid. While DeepSeek is incredibly powerful, there are a few common mistakes beginners make. Overloading prompts. Avoid cramming too much into a single prompt. Break complex tasks into smaller, more manageable queries. Ignoring output quality. Always review DeepSeek's output for accuracy and relevance. While it's highly capable, it's not perfect. Neglecting customization. Don't forget to explore the settings menu. Customizing the tone, language, and other parameters can significantly improve your experience. What makes DeepSeek different from ChatGPT? While both DeepSeek and ChatGPT are powered by advanced natural language processing, NLP technologies, DeepSeek stands out in a few key ways. First, DeepSeek is specifically designed to cater to a wide range of professional and academic needs, offering more specialized functionalities like advanced data analysis, coding assistance, and customizable models. This makes it a go-to tool for users who require more than just conversational AI. Second, DeepSeek often provides more structured and detailed outputs, especially for complex queries. Whether you're analyzing data, debugging code, or conducting research, DeepSeek tends to deliver more precise and actionable results. Lastly, DeepSeek's interface and features are tailored for productivity, with tools like the History tab, tone customization, and collaboration options that make it easier to integrate into your workflow. While ChatGPT excels in general-purpose conversation, DeepSeek is built to help you achieve specific, task-oriented goals with greater efficiency. DeepSeek is more than just a tool. It's a productivity powerhouse that can transform the way you work, learn, and create. Whether you're writing an essay, debugging code, or analyzing data, DeepSeek is here to make the process faster, easier, and more efficient. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore its features, and see how DeepSeek can help you achieve your goals. And remember, the more you use it, the better you'll get at leveraging its full potential. Thanks for watching.